I present to you my new gaming smartphone, Nubia Red Magic 7 Supernova. Highlights: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, AMOLED, 1 billion colors, 165Hz, 18GB RAM, 250GB ROM, built-in 20,000 RPM at max turbofan. Now, let's open this beauty and see what's inside. In the first box is the SIM key, user manual, warranty card and a silicone case. We'll just put this in the side. In the back of the box, we have the 65W GAN quick charging and the Type-C data cable. And now, to the main beast. It's the beauty and the beast combined together. We have the transparent back that you can see the components, like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and the battery. 4500 mAh, the rear camera resolution. 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel, video shooting. The rear camera supports 8K resolution at 30 fps, 4K at 60 fps, 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, 30 fps, 720p. We have the under-display fingerprint lock, what works good and fast. It weighs 215 grams, so it is pretty heavy, but with all that hardware in just a phone, it's not so bad. I finished setting it up. One of the reasons I like this phone is the multi-dimensional cooling fan, because, on my OnePlus Nord C phone I always have overheating problems in the middle of a game, and you know how annoying that can be. The turbofan have air channel with 2 air intakes, and a speed of 20,000 RPM. We will check the About Phone section. Here you can see some phone details. Let's try the game Apex Legends, Full Max, with which I have big lag problems on my previous phone. The Red Magic 7 also comes with dual shooter triggers which is not yet set up, but I love the idea. As you can see, I have set it all on maximum. Finally I can play the game without lag. Wow, it works and looks amazing, but I just wanted to test it. So up to the next one. Now, we go to the king of overheating. Call of Duty Mobile. The turbo fan is directly turned on. Here you can see and change the phone gaming settings, like the display refresh rate. Turn on and off the cooling fan and set up the shooter triggers. So far, all awesome, so thumbs up. Let's put on the silicone case. It comes with a display app, which I will change later with a tempered glass, but that's not important now, because I will just use the phone for gaming, not as a regular phone. Height 170.57mm, width 78.33mm, depth 9.5mm, weight 215 grams, material metal middle frame plus glass back cover. Here you can see it next to iPhone 12 Pro Max. The Red Magic 7 is bigger and definitely faster than the iPhone. It is almost the same size as the Nintendo Switch Pro portable display. Well, my Bluetooth controller is useless now. I am gonna cut some plastic pieces and see if the turbofan can move them around. Well, it can. You can also hear the fan, but with headsets on, or with game volume, you will not get distracted. Let's test the fast charging. It needs from 15 to 20 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100% battery. As always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.